ट्रांसफॉर्म स्पेस इन अ वे कि उसके अंदर जो भी यूजर है वो स्पेस के साथ एंगेज करे. सो दैट्स अ प्राइमरी मोटो. हाउ वी वर्क, I just wanted to highlight कि हम लोग काम कैसे करते हैं. The moment we have a client, we kind of understand what his requirements are. Then we do a lot of thorough research on the client. You don't know how much we are assessing you. It's not judgment. We are researching you. Then we will start thinking about designs about you, which is the stage we call synthesis. We will synthesize about you. Then we'll start drafting ideas for you. Then we will refine them. Then we will practically, make them on the softwares. Again, we refine them, and that's when we give you your final delivery product. So we go back and forth, making a perfect design for you. It's not like आपने बोला हमें pink bedroom दे दो, तो मैंने आपको pink bedroom पकड़ा दिया. It doesn't happen that way. We are very, very research oriented in our process. We are two people who founded the studio. I had a separate background of doing architectural projects. My husband had a separate background of doing a lot of interior projects. And at one point, we converged together and we make our own studio, which happens in 2020. Before that, we were individually practicing with a lot of different firms. So the studio is just around 2 to 3 years old. But personally, I have an experience of 9 years. He has an experience of 14 years, and that's how the studio started. Yes, that's our reach. We have collaboratively 11 years of experience in design and execution. Currently, we have 1 lakh square feet area under construction that we are looking at. We have already completed 40 projects since we have done our studio, and we have 10 plus team and we are growing together. So all those people जो उनको मैं 1-to-1 के लिए Monday, Tuesday को मना करती हूँ, वो इसलिए क्योंकि मैं यहाँ होती हूँ. That's it. In terms of types of projects, we do a lot of interior architectural projects, spatial experience design projects. इनका मतलब क्या है मैं आपको आगे समझाऊंगी. Museum and exhibition type की projects, urban heritage spaces में हम बहुत काम करते हैं. Place communication के बारे में बहुत सारा काम करते हैं. So I'll just take you forward. जब आप किसी आर्किटेक्ट के पास आते हैं तो क्या क्या सर्विसेज इंक्लूड होती हैं? बेसिक बिल्डिंग का डिजाइन, इंटीरियर डिजाइन, आगे एनवायरमेंटल डिजाइन, फर्दर उसके स्ट्रक्चर का डिजाइन, उसकी बिल्डिंग सर्विसेज में प्लम्बिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल, ऑल दोस डिजाइन सर्विसेज, देन फर्दर हाउ टू प्लान फॉर द एग्जीक्यूशन, हाउ टू टेक शटरिंग, व्हिच शटरिंग, ऑल दोस डिसीजंस कम फ्रॉम एन आर्किटेक्ट. Then once you're done with the interior stage, we'll come back with the lighting, we'll come back with AV, acoustic, sound design, we will come back with projection mapping and all those heavy technologies that are relevant in the field. I would like to add to you that as an architecture design studio, we are the only one in the country who can provide all these services. A lot of architects will stop at plumbing and electrical, they will not go beyond the execution stage. So we provide last 3 stages as well. That is because my husband is a specialist in all of those things. So as a studio, we are super comprehensive. So that is a feature and the USP you will not find anywhere else. So when we say interior architecture, this is what we mean. These are pictures from some of our projects that I'm going to take you forward. All these projects are only the ones that are currently in construction or have been completed. So this is a residence done in Ludhiana. Again, this is a showroom happening in Chhatarpur for a fashion designer. These are the interiors that we are doing. Every project is different. जो client का style है, वो उसके interior के style में. It's not like all the fashion studios will be on the same thought. जो उस brand की कहानी है, the same situation gets reflected back into the space as well. So this is an office for IRSVC, which is right in front of New Delhi railway station. This is Ansar's Builder Group's office that we have done. It's a resort. Next one is a resort in Kaziranga. This is the first temple project we did. The clients had a very specific requirement of making world's largest shivling mandir. So it is that which is there in Amba. So just to add, we do all the religious projects free. So if you have a mandir or a gurdwara to be made anywhere, we would be happy to make it. That's our contribution of charity to do that. Again, we have recently completed an auditorium for Honda. We have also done Madhya International School in Guwahati. And when we say spatial experience design, that is what we mean. आपको पता होगा Polar या और brands के experience centers होते हैं, तो we are specialists of that. I have a master's in making experience-oriented spaces. So that's why we do that. It also means कि airports के experience transform करते हैं कि आपको अहमदाबाद का पुराना airport का building दिख रहा है, जिसको हम lighting के through transform कर रहे हैं. And we We've also done similar transformation for Max World Street, Faridabad. When we say museums and exhibitions, this is what we mean. We have also worked for Red Fort Information Center, which is right in Red Fort. आपको मेरे काम मेरे से नहीं देखना तो आप खुद Red Fort जाकर देख के आइए. What is really information center? So these are before, after images of the project and what it was there and how it was restored back, and the experience has been improved. Basically, Red Fort had a lot of buildings which British was destroyed, and those were explained in the last project. This is Smritivan Earthquake Memorial Museum, India's largest museum. All its comprehensive interior design has been done by me. It took us 4 years to design and make the tender for it. So this is the execution of the interiors. I wish the light was off, you could see better, but maybe one-to-one would help. In urban and heritage spaces, we have worked across a lot of monuments, जैसे लखनऊ में बड़ा इमामबाड़ा के आसपास, आगरा में ताजमहल के आसपास जो आप पूरा heritage pathway देखते हैं, that has been designed by us. So currently we are doing similar sort of job, which in Timarpur as well. जैसे आप दिल्ली में देख रहे होंगे बहुत ज़्यादा urban street renovation आपको दिख रहा होगा कीर्ति नगर जाते हुए. So those types of urban renovations also happen to us. Is this a 4-minute bell or an 8-minute bell? Yeah. So again we have how much is it over? Yeah. Okay. So I'll just wind up. So Varanasi also we have done similar jobs, branding, communication, so on and so forth. And this is what branding and communication means for us. We do public samples for a lot of buildings. Our clients are these. I might ask anything that is relevant to you in terms of projects, and this is my care.